Hello, my name is Deborah Crowley. I'm from Exclusive Cleaning Services. Thank you, Juan, for having me to provide this testimony. My thoughts about Pipe Hire, it is just amazing. Being able to put everything in one location. As we know, as cleaners, we, as business owners, we have files all over the place. I know every time I've had an employee, I created a file folder so I can put everything in there. You know, documentation is important. So I was on a seminar with Debbie Sardone and Juan. Thank you, Debbie Sardone, for introducing me to Pipe Hire. And before he can finish, I was already signing up because that was something that I needed. Just a day before that seminar, I was walking around trying to declutter, if you will, and pivot and reframe my business by trying to put things in order. I had all these employee files. So I'm like, I have to find a way to have this information in one location so that it's easy access. Even my complaint and compliment reports, just everything about that particular employee, the driver's license information, social security, all that. I needed that to be in one location. And when Pipe Hire came about, or when I first heard about it, I was just so amazed and intrigued by all the information that you can put into the system. So it has been a blessing for me as well. It saves time, saves money, even interviewing candidates for positions. It lets you know whether that person is suitable for the job. So it's amazing. Just going to one location. Even my office assistant loves it. They're available to train you no matter how many people come into your business. And I've been doing this for 8 years. So this has truly been a blessing for me. Thanks, Pipe Hire, and I truly appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.